Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Tech More. I am today to make a login form, online login form in by using HTML and CSS. I am going with div tag. Div, my div tag, and I am applying username, and putting break tag. Input, I want to input what I want to input in my form. Input box, I'm giving it a type with type like password, text, input, type. Yes, I want to give it type, which is text. Here it is built-in. You don't have to type any text you don't want. Name, yes, you can see name. I'm giving name text, and ID, which is username. You can give any kind of ID you want to give it. And I am applying break. BR is used for break. And button, on click button. When you apply button tag, button what you want to click, and input type. Sorry. Break and password. Password and break. Enter. Input type, I want type password. Yes, password. Name text, ID, password, and close my input tag and put in break in between them. Sorry, break. And button on click. When you click on button, what you want to show? This is used for login, function. I'm applying function, login, submit, and close button. Enter. And I'm going to close my div tag also. Enter. Function, I want to apply a function script. First of all, I'm going with script tag, and type JavaScript, text and JavaScript. Okay, enter. Function, what is my function to call it? Function, which function I give a name? Function, I am giving login. Okay, enter. Variable name, equals to equals with document get by ID, dot get by ID. Here it is. You can, and what is ID? You have to give ID in a singular commas, username, use uppercase, username, bracket close, and dot value. You can add value, semicolon, enter. Variable password equals to document dot get element by ID. Also here it is, and I give it ID password. Yes, hashtag password, close braces, dot value, semicolon, enter. Now I am using condition if name equals to, I'm giving it any name. I am going to, my name is Ali, double equals to, name double equals to Ali, and password equals to 1 2 3 4. Applying any kind of password you want to apply on it. Close bracket, and then location assign URL of second page. You can give any kind of link you want to take your person, anything, any kind of you want. I am giving, take a person who is applying this, and of my curly braces, else. My condition is else. If this password or name or password was wrong, then what will it do? Window alert. It will give window alert. Window alert, login failed. Login failed. Close braces, enter, close my curly braces, and I'm going to save my login form. Login, save, and my document is saved. I'm going to apply a style, ID or username, which I give here. Login form, title, enter, style, like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to